Imagine navigating a financial labyrinth where every decision could mean the difference between fortune and failure. Welcome to the world of high net worth financial planning, where complexity is the norm, not the exception. At Davies Wealth Management, we specialize in crafting bespoke strategies for those with substantial wealth. From intricate asset structures to sophisticated tax optimization, our approach is anything but ordinary. High net worth individuals face unique challenges: diverse portfolios, complex tax codes, and the need for comprehensive estate planning. Our team excels in transforming these challenges into opportunities. We delve into advanced strategies like alternative investments and international tax planning, ensuring your wealth not only grows, but is protected across generations. Whether it's managing the fluctuating incomes of professional athletes or ensuring business continuity for entrepreneurs, our tailored plans are designed to meet your specific needs. At Davies Wealth Management, we don't just plan, we partner with you to navigate the ever evolving financial landscape, ensuring your legacy endures. Join us and let's secure your financial future together.